The great thing about the Polaris Ace is it can be used as a crane if you have a 4x4 and some ratchet straps. You need to take both the wheels off of a motorcycle. So now let's see the front wheels off the ground, and then you can take the wheel off. It's pretty sweet. Look at the Ace doing work. Try that with a Can-Am. Different bikes, but we all know this is the best one. Oh yeah. Do a little road test of the 1985 Honda NQ50, also known as a Spree. Fits conveniently in this closet on the porch. Are any neighbors looking? Oh, they are. They'll get over it. Not supposed to have 2 strokes in your house, in your apartment. 4 strokes are allowed. 2 strokes, not so much. Yeah, I printed one of those out today for that reason. I printed one out that says moped. It's a 2-stroke, so it's important to let it get a good warm-up in.
I can feel the vibration from the deck.
Oh yeah, she zooms right up to 25 miles an hour. Once it warms up, it'll hit about 30. The Spree was introduced in 1984. It's a low-cost scooter, the smallest one Honda ever made, sold in the US. One of the few bikes to weigh less than 100 pounds. This is an 85 version, which is not quite as good as a flat-top piston. The 86 had a dome piston for more compression. It's starting to get warmed up now. Oh yeah, here we go. 26, 27. Still not quite warmed up enough to hit the whole 30 miles an hour. But by 86, they do about 33 miles an hour because of the extra compression. They also added a kickstart in 86. And then in 87, they added some underseat storage in the form of a glove box. Very tight. But super short wheelbase, very lightweight, very nimble handling. Oh, look at that go. Oh yeah. The iconic, you know, everything about this thing is very classic. My goal is to make it hit 45 miles an hour. I've ordered a big bore kit for it, different exhaust, different reed valves, different intake. It's gonna be huge. She just warmed up. You can feel her hitting the power band now. Edition is restricted to 25 miles an hour by a jet and by a washer in the exhaust. You can tell it's an Iowa edition if it has a 6-1 in the VIN number. 60 is non-Iowa. That's why it's limited to 25, because it's an Iowa edition. But all that's about to be fixed. I need to fix my fuel gauge also. Getting about 28 miles an hour out of her. Pretty good. Come on, baby. Give me that 30. I'm gonna tuck in. Oh, we're tucked in now. $28, $29.